How to enable Samsung Kids mode on your Samsung. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So for this, you are going to go on the settings of your Samsung mobile or the tab in case you are using a tab. Then you have to scroll down and go to the digital well-being and parental control option. You have to click on that, and then you have to scroll down and go to parental control. Now you have to click on get started, and then you have to go select you are a parent or you are a child or a teenager. You have to select this, and by selecting this, let's say I'm a teenager, and then I'm going to get next, and this will make sure that your next step is your kid mobile mode is enabled. So this is how you can enable Samsung Kids mode. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.